You made it to the final part, hacks 21 to 30. These aren't just tips. These are the finishing moves, the habits that separate average lives from powerful ones. If you apply even half of these, your daily routine, your focus, and your discipline will never look the same again. Let's finish strong. Hack number 21. Step outside 10 minutes daily. Nature is free therapy. Fresh air heals more than endless scrolling ever will. Hack number 22. Make your bed. It's the first small win of the day. Start with order and more success will follow. Hack number 23. Unfollow one negative influence per week. Social media feeds or people that drain energy. Cut them out. Mental health matters. Hack number 24. Positive affirmations in the mirror daily. Speak to yourself like someone you love, even if it feels awkward. Hack number 25. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Don't aim for flawless. Aim to be 1% better than yesterday. 26. Limit news exposure. News is often negative and stressful. Protect your mental energy by limiting intake. Hack number 27. Eat one extra vegetable daily. Health isn't about extremes. It's about small, consistent upgrades. Hack number 28. Learn one new word every day. Not for vocabulary. It's for sharpening your thinking and communication. Hack number 29. Take 5 deep breaths when overwhelmed. Think of it as a reset button inside your lungs. Use it. Hack number 30. Set 3 micro goals every morning. Small wins build consistency, even on your worst days.